everyone, I'm Sakshi Vishwakarma, your reigning Miss Assam 2024. I'm thrilled to announce that I will be attending the Karbi Youth Festival Miss KYF as a special guest on this 18th of February. Join me at the Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, Diphu, as we celebrate the vibrant culture and talent of the Karbi community. I'm super excited and looking forward to see you all there.
Namaskar and Kardom. I am Anamika Bora, your reigning Miss Universe Assam 2024. I am so happy to announce that I will be attending the Karbi Youth Festival for Miss KYF 2025 as a special guest on 18th February 2025. So mark the date and join me at Samsung Singh Inti Achatai Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, Diphu.
Kardom and hello to everyone. This is Sarlika Rongpipi, your reigning Miss Karbi Youth Festival. As the proud winner at the glorious Saturina Sengkan, I am honored as well as very excited to share that Miss Karbi Youth Festival is happening again this year at the vibrant 51st Karbi Youth Festival. Are you excited? Well, I am. So come forward, show them what you got and make the crown yours. Kurvang too and all the best.